Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to get this taillight out of this Audi A3. So if you have one of these, I want to check this one out. Okay, so inside there's this little plug. All you do is there's this little lever hole right here. Put something in there, pry this thing out. That comes right out. Then what you want to do next is inside there's a plastic nut that looks like this. If you can see, it is a 13 millimeter. You could probably use a 1/2 inch. It's kind of a loose 13 millimeter. It also has a little slot in it. So if you didn't have a 13 millimeter on you, you could probably put a screwdriver in that slot, unscrew it. It's not usually very tight. It is a plastic nut. Once you get the plastic nut out, you have two. Well, you can do like I did and break one off, or you can be very careful and then pull the light straight out. So if you see, this is what you're trying to get off here. You've got two of these, and the one that I did on the top broke off, so that's why I made the video. So next page, maybe you won't do the same thing. So if you pull it straight out when you're trying to take it off, you might not be able to break that. Then, of course, yeah, always make things a little more tricky. You've got these two plastic nuts right here. One. Can I get two hands on that one? It was hand tight, just a little bit tighter than I could get with one hand. So take these two off, and then you should be able to remove the light housing to get access to the bulbs. Just give that a little careful wiggle, and voila. There's our culprit right there, isn't it? Look at that one. Yeah, one wasn't working. It's all black and gross. Maybe I'll just change them all real quick. I don't know if I have an amber one. That might be the one that's bad. I'd say so. An amber bulb. Okay, so that's how you get access. Reverse procedure. Put it back together. And don't break the tab. Unless you want to be like me. Broken Tab Club. Talk to you next one. Please like, share, and subscribe.